be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, for how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting. Thinking about the distance and the time zones on my phone, yeah. Holding down the fortress when I'm sitting here alone. You know I hate the space, but I respect the moves you make. Countless little sacrifices for the future that we shape. Every